Well, all I can do is laugh because this was really fun. This is the new burner for the propane forge. We have a coupling that's 1.5 inches by 1 inch. Goes down to 1 inch. That's 12 inches long. And then another 1.5 inches by 1 inch. Miscellaneous brass fittings, a hose, a propane tank. And the orifice has a .125 hole in it right now. That's 1/8 inch, which is way too much gas. We're going to switch it back. But first, this is why I was laughing. Let's turn our gas on. And you need a high pressure regulator. This is a 20 psi regulator. I think it was about 20 bucks at Menards. Alright. That's very, very low. We'll turn out the lights for full effect. That's about a 48-inch flame. And that's a ton of heat coming off. That's way more than I need. So we're going to go back to the .032 tip. And we'll explain that in the next video. Until then, this was a lot of fun. And I'll show you how I did it.